Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make iPhone app icons smaller or bigger. So if you want to make your iPhone run on iOS 18 app icons smaller or bigger, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this. Now to make iPhone app icons smaller or bigger, first, your iPhone must be running on iOS 18. Otherwise, this is not going to work for you. To check whether you are qualified to use or upgrade to the latest iOS 18, just go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on General. Now, once you click on General, locate and click on Software Update. Then this will allow your iPhone to search for the available software update while your iPhone is connected to the internet. As you can see, I have my iPhone running on the latest iOS 18.3. Now, go back to the iPhone home screen. Once you can confirm that the iPhone is on iOS 18, press and hold the home screen. Locate and click on the edit button at the top left and then click on customize. Once you select customize, you should see small and large. Now to make your iPhone app icons larger, go ahead and click on large. And I should see all the app icons made large. They will not be bigger than they were. Now to make it smaller, repeat the same thing. Press and hold the home screen, click on edit at top left and click on customize. Then come here and select small, and this is going to make the application smaller compared to the initial one. Then click outside and there you're good to go. So that is exactly how to make iPhone app icons bigger or smaller on iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.